When it comes to low-voltage power, three things never change: quality, reliability, and safety. Schneider Electric's FeederSeT range delivers all three, combining advanced technology with easy operation, cost efficiency, and uncompromising safety. Fully designed, engineered, manufactured and tested at the Scarborough Smart Power Systems facility. FeederSeT arrives as a complete factory-assembled solution. And innovation is at the heart of it all. Like the unique MCCB cassette arrangement in FeederSeT CB feeder pillars, giving customers flexible, upgradable designs tailored to their exact needs. Safety is at the heart of everything we do. FeederSeT is built to IEC 61439 standards and meets a wide range of BSEN safety criteria, ensuring performance in every environment,